What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're doing Abra Cadabra Mixed Emotion official video. Yeah, we are working. You didn't expect a next video today? Well, you got one. It is here. So today, we are just doing young artists. Big up on yourself. Thanks for reaching out. Like I keep saying to you, big up on yourself. Guys, please follow me on Twitch. My Twitch is really important. I'm trying to grow my Twitch channel, guys. Help me out. Me have nearly 15,000 followers on the subscribers on the gaming channel on YouTube, but I need to grow my Twitch. So guys, help me out. Also, follow me on Instagram. The link is down below. The name is at the top. Alright? So let's go. What? Let's get it.
Hey, yo, TR, go crazy on these niggas, man.
No problem.
The G is back. You know I did have to react to this. Once again, Suave, big up yourself, Suave. Yeah, put out some content, dog. You put out some fire content, brother. Your creative skills is crazy. Let's go.
If I ever told you I was struggling for cash, would you stay with me?
Would you? If I told you, girl, that I was struggling for cash, would you stay with me? How much do you love me? That is what the boss is asking the girl.
Since I got rich off of rapping, my mind's been playing with me.
Since I get rich off of rapping, my mind been playing with me. So the more money, the more problems you have. That is basically what the dog is saying. Abra, big up yourself. You know, so your respect is up top.
Cause sometimes I wonder if you're ever me or not. And you're so bright, you don't give me reasons to think a lot. But I'm so tired of can't you see a nigga.
This guy is so talented. He's so versatile. This guy can sing, can rap, can drill, can do every friggin' thing. Yo, Abra, dog, you are truly a star, bro. You are a star, my fam.
I see no, I got fear in my heart. I'm a gangster, I can't have no woman tear apart. I ain't need to disappointment and I've been in the dark.
Man say, yo, I'm a gangster, brother. I'm a gangster. I can't have no woman that tear my heart apart. I have to be tough outside, but brother, honestly still, even though you're a gangster, you still need that gangster chick to hold you down, hold your back down, brother. If she take the fan, she's there to make sure everything is in place. Fear. You understand what I say? Yeah, dog. So you still need that girl that you can't live with them or you cannot live without them. You need them, brother. Oh man, brother. Let's go.
I promise to myself I never visit her bar. But now I'm asking myself, does she love me for true? Does she love me for true? Does she love me for true?
Yeah, look good enough. So basically the boss asked himself, does she love me for true? Does she love me for true? Like, me paranoid. Is she just with me because of the money? Is she really in love with me? What is it? If I wasn't Abra Cadabra, would she still be here? That is what the G is saying. Not me, obviously. I'm not Abra Cadabra. He is. You understand?
Yeah. Does she love me for true? Enough of that tech food on the white rum. I don't drink a lot of drinks, but that's my one.
White rum, big up white rum, Jamaican product. The man say, yo, take for you for the white rum. He not drink a lot of drink, but that is for him drink. That is for him drink. One time he want all the meds, he just take 2 shots of the white rum. I don't know a thing. You can chase it with some Pepsi or some something else. You understand? Yeah.
Would you like some rain if you make your ooh shine like diamond? No problem. If I ever told you I was struggling for cash, would you stay with me?
Basically, my ask the girl, say, baby, you want some of the rare nephew, the white rum? Yeah, make you shine like a diamond, you know. You say you want some water.
Ever since I got rich off of rapping, my mind's been playing with me.
Yo, the girl them skin clean, you know, brother. Where the man them find them girl from for putting them video, dog? How me can lucky enough to buck up one of these girls on the road? Me need to buck up one of those girls on the road and shoot my shot. I only love hello, darling there. And them the little thing that woman want to hear, them the one here, hey, come over here, dog. You think she can come? Get out of here. Forget them woman nowadays, you have to be a star. You have to be a star. Cha.
Sometimes I wonder if you're ever me or not. And you're so bright, you don't give me reasons to think a lot. But I'm so tired and can't you see a nigga from the block and
Yo, me can't stop big up Abra, dog. Abra just different, dog. Abra just stands out. Abra style just stands out, brother, from the crowd. Abra just stands out, my G.
I see no, y'all make you my one and my only. Don't worry about them other girls, baby. They could never phone me.
Baby, you are the one. You are the one. There's no two. Don't worry about those all other girls. They are all fans. Them can't phone me. Them probably can't shot me a DM. You know why them can't phone me? Because them don't have a number for me. Them can probably shot me a DM because I am a public figure. I am verified on Instagram. And them know who I am. I am famous. I am a rapper. I'm rich. I have my money. I have my money. That is what he's saying, not me. Let's go.
I'll hold you down, baby. I've been feeling you from long time now, baby.
Girl, a long time I feel you. Long time I want to touch you. Long time I want to get your attention. Now I have it. Me have to wonder, baby, do you love me? Are you in love with me?
It could be a smile, it could be eyes, I don't even know, but you're just my type.
You are my type. You are my type. I don't know what it is about you. Your shape, your eyes, your smile, your eyes. I don't know. Or you walk, or you talk, or you laugh and get you know some girls laugh like that. I don't know what it is. What is it? Something about you when we really want to know.
Going on about these niggas wasting your time, precious time. I can never leave you lonely when you ring my line.
I can never leave you alone when you ring my line. No matter what time of night it is, I'm gonna answer the phone to you, baby, because you are my baby that I want to give a baby. Yeah. You're my baby girl that bring my baby girl or my baby boy. Yeah.
I'll be there for you. If I see you there for me, then I'll be there for you. You just go keep it true and I'll be here for you.
Promise you. Once you are there for me, I will be there for you, baby. Just keep it true. Keep it true. You see me? I will be there for you. I promise you that much. You see me? Once you are here for me, and time will tell if you're gonna be here for me or not.
Yeah, I know you ain't a gangster that can care for you. No problem. If I ever told you I was struggling for cash, would you stay with me?
You know what that song remind me of 50 Cent. What the song name again? If I fell off the mall, would you still love me? If I didn't smell so good, would you still hug me? Yeah, that song there. I forgot the title right, but yeah, that song there.
My mind's been playing with me. Cause sometimes I wonder if it's here for me or not. And you're so right, you don't give me reasons to think a lot.
Yeah, big up the whole OFP gang in the dog. Big up the whole OFP gang, brother. Big up OFP, dog. Big up OFP, brother. Them a do it. Them a do it. From
the block and I seen her. Cause sometimes I wonder if you're for me or not. And you're so right, you don't.
Yo. I'm just glad that a person like this is on the UK music scene. I'm just glad. Because this guy, like I said earlier on, this guy is popping. Like anything him drop, a fire. Anything him drop, a fire, dog. You see me? I'm just glad say him there, dog, and I stay true to the music, brother. Honestly.
Don't give me reasons to think a lot, but I'm so tired. And can't you see a nigga from the block? And I seen her up.
Valentine's Day, the girl get a rose. Look on the ring finger. Look on the diamond on the ring, dog. It's a stone that is a river stone that busted in that. You see me? Yeah. It's all this. How are this? Boy, if you don't get... Alright, carry. Sorry.
Cause sometimes I wonder. Cause sometimes.
I'm sorry. I was just being a pervert. I'm sorry. I can't help it. I just have to look.
Sure.
Alright. Abra always bring a song, a preview of a song at the end of a song. That is Abra style. Let's go.
No.
Well, what we got?
Be in the building, 7-6. Oh, I know. Get left and get stretched with it.
Oh, I know. We get left, I get left. Get right, I get left, I get stretched. Bomba Claudia. Let's go.
Yeah. It's an F up or get a chest up, get your vest, cuz.
It's an F up, get your chest up or get your vest, cuz. War time, you know. So this track is gonna be a banger. Let's see what it...
Full up blocks, friends Persian, lurking, spin it and burst them. Ease that chilling on the up block district. Come like the upstate learning.
Bomba Once a year, you know, say shot like a fire pan boy in a dog. The ups them are going to run up and down again in a dog.
He ain't who he says he is in his tracks, little prick, can't know him in person. He can tweak on the net till we catch him in earth and burn him, close them curtains.
You can tweet on the net. You can be an internet gangster as much as you want until we catch up on until we catch you in a real life on earth. Dirt! That's how we are going to reach you. So you go on, you miss the internet bad boy, go on.
Squeeze on the lead with it, don't get seen with it, you little idiot.
Bumper class! Squeeze on the lead, you little idiot. Yo, we can't wait for that one to drop. Yo, big up Abra, dog. Big up Bumbuckler Abra. Abra just, if the man touch a girl tune, it bang. If the man touch a reality tune, it bang. If the man touch a bad man tune, it bang, dog. Like, since... When last year, 2020, the man hasn't put a foot wrong, brother. The man hasn't dropped one shit song. He not dropped one shit song. From Abra is back on the scene now. Abra is back to stay. Like, who don't like it, disappear. So, guys, this is where I'm going to end the video. If you like the reaction, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe if you're new. And leave a comment down below and let me know what I'm going on.